Hey guys, it's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's LEGO Robotics coming to you from Tennessee. Wow, it's been a while since I did that last video, but today I am coming from Tennessee. Beautiful state, guys. So I just got a job at John Sevier Elementary School, and so it's just really cool that we were able to come over here, find a job. I'm looking into possibly doing First LEGO League, the Explore Division, because I'll be teaching second grade. So it's all pretty new and we're just still trying to figure everything out. So I got a job, we just got a house, a rental house to be in for a while. So just to give you guys an update of how things are going. But today's video, because you guys know that I love robotics, oh, don't you love those birds? Today I'm going to be showing you the Nautilus Plus swimming pool cleaner. It's a really cool robot that cleans your pool. The other day we went in and it was gnarly stuff, guys. So we thought today we would put the Nautilus into the pool and clean it. So today I'm going to show you how to set everything up, the process, and then the after part, and hopefully you enjoy it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
Hino, LEGO Robotics.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and get the Nautilus Plus out because there is all kinds of bugs and grass on the bottom of the pool here, so we need to get this thing cleared out. Aw, hey Tito, you're going to be my pool cleaning assistant today. So we have this thing covered just so that it's protected, but let's take this thing off and let's go ahead and set up the Nautilus Plus to the power source here. So let's drag this thing out here. Okay, so you're going to want to put it next to the power source so we can get this thing plugged in. And let's go ahead and unravel this cord. We want to make sure when you unravel the cord that there's no kinks in the cord, it's not tangled. We want to stretch this thing out as far as we can. And then we're going to go ahead and get this thing. We want to make sure that the cord is plugged into the Nautilus Plus. Yep. And you just go ahead and drop it anywhere into the pool. Don't worry, it'll sink to the bottom. And we usually will run this for about 2 to 3 hours, just depending on how dirty the pool might be. And then we're just going to come on over here and hit this power button, and the Nautilus Plus will basically run itself. It's kind of like a Roomba. You just set it and run it, and it will go ahead and clean the pool all by itself. So we're just going to go ahead and watch this guy run. He will, why do I call it a he? The Nautilus Plus will go ahead and travel along the bottom and the sides of your pool. You also want to make sure that you, if you have anything hanging like this thermometer here, we want to make sure that we pull it out so that the Nautilus Plus does not eat it up. And let's go ahead and watch the Nautilus Plus run. Okay, so we normally run it, like I said, about 2 to 3 hours, depending upon how dirty the pool is. So we're going to go ahead and power this off. When we retrieve the Nautilus Plus, I'm going to be pulling on the cord until the Nautilus comes up. I don't want to be pulling it up by the cord once it gets to the surface of the water. It's just too much weight. So once the Nautilus Plus is out, we're now going to go ahead and remove the two filters. There's a filter on the front and the back, or the sides, however you want to call it. And once we remove the filters, we're going to open it up and wash out what's inside. And we normally will see roly-poly bugs or whatever fell into the pool and sunk to the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and just wash this out so that the next time we run the Nautilus Plus, it will have a clean filter. And the pool is now clean. Who's ready to jump in? It looks great. Okay guys, so there is the Nautilus Plus. The pool is clean. We're ready to jump in and enjoy the summer days. Hopefully you guys are doing fantastic. I am doing super good, getting used to living in Tennessee here, guys. And hopefully I can bring you more cool videos like this in the future, okay? All right guys, I'm Mr. Hino from FLL Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.